In front of me is Motorola Moto Z, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open display, and here you have to go to the wallpaper. Now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. You can choose something from your live wallpapers, photos, or the wallpapers album, and this is what I would pick. And here you can come along with all pictures that can be set, so let me choose, for example, cityscapes, sorry, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of possibilities. And for example, let me pick this one. And if you really want to apply it, you can obviously customize it. And if you want to apply it, just click on Set Wallpaper. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, lock screen, or maybe both of them, and I will pick the third option. And that's it. As you can see, wallpaper is set successfully, so from now on you've got it on your wallpaper and also on your lock screen. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.